Piki ezihirweyo n'ez'okuhweraho mu project eyeserwe under Uganda COVID-19 Response Emergency Preparedness Project omu bicweka bitari bimwe na bimwe ebya district ya Kikuube.
Piki zino sente z'omuwa omusoro baitu kandi nizibakonyera muno omukurora nti respondinga very fast lyetaago ebikuba bize mu bicweka byanyu bikwawukana abakyangwa ali mulenka abakyangwa ali
Amurani tumusiimura omukuru w'akakiiko akarukurwanisa okubarukaho kw'endwara omuri Kikuube nagira ngu piki ezi nizija kuyambaho mu kusya amakuru g'endwara eziri kubarukaho mu district.
Malaria. And why? Because our people are not willing to sleep under the treated mosquito nets. The reason why malaria is very rampant alongside the lake shores is because those fishermen, when they get the mosquito nets, they turn them into fishing gears. And that is very embarrassing. How can you turn a mosquito net into a fishing gear? They are nets which are recommended for fishing. These ones are to help prevent malaria.
You find it being driven by a commoner, someone common, you can't understand. And for sure, to tell you the truth, this is not for that. Fortunately, I've been assigned the duty of being the administrator, and I can assure you that as a person, as long as you've not asked for permission from the Chief Administrative Officer to maybe lend the motorcycle, because he's in charge of all these assets.
Peter Banura chairman wa district ya Kikuube nagira ngu district ya Kikuube eriyo n'ekyumba gira mpora omu nshonga z'ebyamagara.
So the violence takes place quietly, and this is where we had to have our staff of the district to be able to have means of transport, that mobility, to ease their movements, to reach those hard-to-reach areas, so that these children get the support and guidance that they need. So we've handed them over to the in-charges, because the in-charges, the facilities have some budgets of maintenance. These